In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an Asana project for virtual assistant tasks. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system that keeps every request organized, visible, and on schedule. Start by creating a new project in Asana. Choose a blank project so you can tailor it to your workflow. Give it a straightforward name that you and your client will recognize, and select a layout you prefer. List view is great for scanning details, while board view can make handoffs and progress more visual. Either will work. Pick what suits you best. Next, set up the project sections that will house your work. Add admin for routine operational tasks, email for drafting, sorting, or sending messages, calendar for scheduling and meeting prep, research for gathering information and sources, follow-ups for anything that requires a check-in or response later, and completed for work you've finished. These sections help you quickly spot priorities and make sure nothing gets buried. Now add each client request or admin duty as its own task so everything has a single source of truth. Give each task a clear title that starts with the action, like schedule monthly review, draft client update email, or compile vendor research. Drop the task into the right section so it's easy to find and manage. Open each task and include the details your future self will thank you for. In the description, write concise instructions outlining the goal, context, and any specific requirements. Attach files the task depends on, and paste in links to documents, calendars, or reference pages. Set a due date so timelines are visible, and assign a priority level so urgent items stand out. If your workspace has a priority field, use it consistently. If not, add a simple tag like high, medium, or low. The key is to make every task self-explanatory so it can be picked up and completed without delays. Use the comments section to keep the client or team updated on progress. Share quick status notes like draft ready for review, add links to deliverables, and mention teammates when you need input. Comments create a running history, which is invaluable for clarity and accountability. Finally, make reviewing the project a daily habit. Scan each section, check what's due soon, and confirm that follow-ups haven't slipped. Update due dates if timelines shift, move finished work to completed, and add any new requests as tasks right away. A brief, consistent review ensures nothing falls through the cracks and builds trust through reliable, visible progress. That's your streamlined Asana setup for virtual assistant tasks. Simple, thorough, and easy to maintain.